iSystems Daily. What if you could test yours first? Let me show you how BestRated24 changes the security game for creators and small businesses. ISOM Pentesting identifies vulnerabilities in your A tools before attackers do. BestRated24 automates security testing, scanning your models for weaknesses in real time. Perfect for freelancers and businesses protecting client data. It's like having a security expert on your team 24/7. First, sign up and connect your A model. Second, select your testing parameters. Choose between basic or advanced vulnerability scans. Third, run your first test. You'll get detailed reports within minutes showing exactly what needs fixing. No coding required. BestRated24 offers automated scanning, real-time alerts, and compliance reports for GDPR and SOTUA. How to claim acquired Bakaran so true. The dashboard is creator-friendly, see vulnerabilities, severity levels, and fixes instantly. Pricing starts at 29 time per month. Ideal for protecting client projects without expensive security teams. If you're deploying AI tools, yes, one data breach costs thousands. BestRated24 prevents that for under $400 yearly. Competitors charge triple. I recommend starting with their free trial test your current AI setup risk-free today. Subscribe for A tool reviews every week. Like if you care about security, comment which A tool reviews every week. Like if you care about security, comment which A tool you want tested next.